Hello friends, welcome to Law and Knowledge. Do like, share and subscribe our channel. You can follow us on Instagram, the link is given below. आज हम आपके लिए इंडियन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट 1872 की MCQs की सीरीज़ लेके आए हैं। इससे पहले भी हम इंडियन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट के MCQs की वीडियोस अपलोड कर चुके हैं। अगर वो आपने नहीं देखी है तो हम लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में प्रोवाइड करवा रहे हैं। आप उस लिंक को क्लिक करिए और जल्दी से प्रीवियस वीडियोस देख लीजिए। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज के इस वीडियो को। अगर आपको MCQs से रिलेटेड किसी और सब्जेक्ट के भी MCQs सीरीज़ देखनी है तो हमारे चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट पर अवेलेबल है। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज के इस वीडियो को। 31st क्वेश्चन, इससे पहले के जो क्वेश्चंस है 30 तक वो हम प्रीवियस वीडियोस में कवर कर चुके हैं। 31st क्वेश्चन, द ऑफर मस्ट बी ऑप्शन ए कंडीशनल, ऑप्शन बी टेम्पररी, ऑप्शन सी डेफिनिट, ऑप्शन डी ऑल ऑफ द अबव। इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी डेफिनिट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, अ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट इज मेड वेयर। ऑप्शन ए buys a book from a shop, option B X bids at a public auction, option C X agrees with Y to discover a treasure by magic, option D Z agrees to attend the birthday party of his friend। इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए buys a book from a shop। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, payroll contract are also known as option A simple contract, option B format contract, option C void contract, option D conditional contract। इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए simple contract। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, an offer made by words spoken or written is called option A implied offer, option B express offer, ऑप्शन सी फॉर्मल एग्रीमेंट, ऑप्शन डी इनफॉर्मल एग्रीमेंट। इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी एक्सप्रेस ऑफर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, अ टेंडर इज ऑप्शन ए एन ऑफर, ऑप्शन बी इन्विटेशन टू एन ऑफर, ऑप्शन सी एक्सेप्टेंस ऑफ ऑफर, ऑप्शन डी नन ऑफ द अबव। इसका आंसर है नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, एन ऑफर स्टैंड्स रिवोक्ड। ऑप्शन ए इफ द फैक्ट ऑफ द डेथ और इंसैनिटी इज नोन टू ऑफरी, ऑप्शन बी बाय काउंटर ऑफर, ऑप्शन सी बाय रिजेक्शन ऑफ ऑफर, ऑप्शन डी ऑल ऑफ द अबव। इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी ऑल ऑफ द अबव। लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फॉर एन एक्सेप्टेंस टू बी वैलिड it must be option A partial and qualified, option B absolute and unqualified, option C partial and unqualified, option D absolute and qualified। इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी absolute and unqualified। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, acceptance takes place as against the proposer when option A when the letter of acceptance is posted by the acceptor, option B when the letter of acceptance is received by the proposer, option C when the offeree writes the letter of acceptance but doesn't post it, option D all of the above। इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए when the letter of the acceptance is posted by the acceptor। Next question, communication of offer is complete when option A the letter is posted to the offeree, option B the letter is received by the offeree, option C the offer is accepted by the person to whom it is made, option D it comes to the knowledge of the offerer that the letter has been received by the offeree। इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी द लेटर इज रिसीव्ड बाय द ऑफरी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द कम्युनिकेशन ऑफ अ प्रपोजल इज कंप्लीट व्हेन इट कम्स टू ऑप्शन ए द नॉलेज ऑफ दैट पर्सन, ऑप्शन बी द ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द ऑफर, Option C, the intention with which offer is made. Option D, the fact underlying the offer. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, द नॉलेज ऑफ दैट पर्सन. Next question, which of the following is false? An offer to be valid must, option A, contain a term the non-compliance of which would amount to acceptance. Option B, intended to create legal relation. Option C, have certain and unambiguous terms. Option D, be communicate to the person to whom it is made. The right answer is option A, contain a term the non-compliance of which would amount to acceptance. Next question. Over a cup of coffee in a restaurant, X invites Y to dinner at his house on a Sunday. Y hires a taxi and reaches X's house at the appointed time, but X fails to perform his promise. Can Y recover any damages from X? Option A, yes, as Y has suffered. Option B, no, as the intention was not to create legal relation. Option C, either A or B. Option D, none of this. The right answer is option B, no, as the intention was not to create legal relation. Next question. Which one of the following is the best statement about the Indian Contract Act? Option A. It is an exhaustive code containing the entire law of contract. Option B. It is an act to amend certain parts of the law relating to contract. Option C. It is an act to define certain parts of the law relating to the contract and contains only the general principle of contract. Option D. It is not an exhaustive code containing the entire law of contract, being an act to define and amend certain parts of the law relating to contract. The answer is answer number C. It is an act to define certain parts of the law relating to contract and contains only the general principle of the contract. Next question. Which of the following is a contract? Option A. A engages B for a certain work and promises to pay such remuneration as shall be fixed. B does the work. Option B. A and B promises to marry each other. Option C. A takes a seat in public vehicle. Option D. A invites B to a card party. B accepts the invitation. The answer is option A. A engages B for a certain work and promises to pay such remuneration as shall be fixed. B does the work. Next question. For binding contract, both the parties to the contract must, option A, agree with each other. Option B, put the offer and counter offers. Option C, stipulate their individual offer. Option D, agrees upon the same thing in the same sense. The answer is option D, agree upon the same thing in the same sense. Next question. Which one of the following has the correct sequence? Option A, offer, acceptance, consideration, offer. Option B, offer, acceptance, consideration, contract. Option C, contract, acceptance, consideration, offer. Option D, offer, consideration, acceptance, contract. The right answer is option B, offer, acceptance, consideration, and contract. Next question. Goods displayed in a shop window with a price label will amount to, option A, offer. Option B, acceptance of offer. Option C, invitation to offer. Option D, counter offer. The right answer is option C, invitation to offer. Next question, what can a catalog of book listing price of each book and specifying the place where the listed books are available be termed as? Option A, an offer. Option B, an obligation. Option C, an invitation to offer. Option D, a promise to make available the books at the listed price. The right answer is option C, an invitation to offer. Next question. Which one of the following statement about a valid acceptance of an offer is incorrect? Option A, acceptance should be absolute and unqualified. Option B, acceptance should be in prescribed manner. Option C, acceptance should be communicated. Option D, acceptance should be made while the offer is subsisting. The right answer is option D, acceptance should be made while the offer is subsisting. Next question. A counter offer is option A, a rejection of the original offer. Option B, an acceptance of the offer. Option C, a bargain. Option D, an invitation to treat. The right answer is option A, a rejection of the original offering. Next question. A person makes a proposal is called option A, promiser. Option B, vendor. Option C, contractor. Option D, promise. The right answer is option A, promiser. Next question. Which one of the following will constitute a valid acceptance? Option A, an inquiry as to fitness of the subject matter of the contract. Option B, a provisional acceptance. Option C, addition of surplus term while accepting an offer. Option D, a conditional acceptance. The right answer is option A, an inquiry as to fitness of the subject matter of the contract. Next question. Which one of the following statement is true? Option A, offer and acceptance are revocable. Option B, offer and acceptance are irrevocable. Option C, an offer can be revoked but acceptance cannot. Option D, an offer cannot be revoked but acceptance can be revoked. The right answer is option A, offer and acceptance are revocable. Next question. The communication of acceptance through telephone is regarded as complete when option A, acceptance is spoken on phone. Option B, acceptance comes to the knowledge of party proposing. Option C, acceptance is put in course of transmission. Option D, acceptance has done whether is required to be done by him. The answer is option B, acceptance comes to the knowledge of the party proposing. Last question. Which of the following falls into the category of offer? Option A, newspaper advertisement regarding sale. Option B, display of goods by a shopkeeper in his window with price marked on them. Option C, an advertisement for a concern. Option D, announcement of reward to the public. The right answer is option D, announcement of reward to the public. Okay, thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. अगर आपको इस वीडियो में कुछ भी डाउट है तो प्लीज़ आप कमेंट बॉक्स में पूछिए. लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. बाय.